Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's open first the settings, tap to the sounds and vibration, and to mute ringtone we should slide to the left side ringtone volume panel. Just to slide this dot on the ring volume panel. We could also do this with the help of the down volume button. Just press down volume button and by this way you will also mute the ringtone. But first be sure that in the advanced settings in volume button function you have selected ringtone volume to use volume buttons to change ringtone, not the medias. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.